Hello student, the next topic we are going to conduct the dairy science. Basically you know very well the dairy science. The dairy science is the technology involves the study of the chemistry of milk constituents, the control of microorganisms, desirable and undesirable associated with the milk and dairy products. The all branches of engineering related to milk processing and the economics of milk processing, that is the distribution and the retailing, is known as the dairy science. Basically this dairy science is a one of the degree, that is you can say the potentially career path is available here. If you are going to do the degree in dairy science, you will get the animal biotechnologist, animal caretaker, animal welfare specialist, breeding manager, dairy farm worker, ecologist, farm manager, and feed mill manager. So that when we are the worse knowledge on their dairy science, there is so many career is available in the market. What are the dairy science subject in dairy science? There is dairy science farming in India, milk and physiology of lactation, farm animal management, then farm animal health management, animal nutrition, animal genetic and production, animal breeding, processing technology, etc. So there is so many careers in the dairy science. So basically, when we are going to see this dairy science, there is one important word is that is known as the milk, that is called as the dairy. So why is milk called the dairy? The dairy is a farm that specializes in milk and products made from milk, and these items themselves can also be called dairy products. And this dairy comes from the Middle English dai, that is dairy, which is rooted in the Old English days, that is kneader of bread or female servant. So, and basically, this dairy science, when we are going to see the milk, milk is defined as a liquid fluid materials from resources from the mammary gland of the female is known as the milk. So the types of dairy cattle preparations, the intensive dairy production, the animals are raised in a more confined and the settings such as open lot or ties, stall, barn. The pasture of continuously or for portions of the day, some producers combination of the both types. So you can see these dairy breeds. The most popular are Holstein, the Irishshire, Brown Swiss, Jersey, Jersey, milking short bone, and red and white. So this is the dairy breed you can see, and there is so many dairy we can take this milk sources from the animal, like buffalo is also important for the production of the milk. So the DHI dairy herd improvement, similar to EPDs, technician take milk samples and compare components to improve the herd. So that's higher share the breed herds, milk, fat and proteins. The Brown Swiss, Quincy, Holstein, Jersey, you can take this various type of the milk is there. The main objective is equal to produce the most milk possible The dairy cattle production in the United States continues to shift towards the larger herds that allow producers to maximize production and the profit. So dairy cow cycle is there. The conception and the birth. Actually, the cow is the lactation period is about 10 months. That is 283 days, and the 2 months they are dry, and the conception is 283 days, that is birth, and 2 months is the dry. The production cycle of the dairy cattle is the mature cows are milked and are milked 2 to 3 times a day after they give birth, and their lactation cycle begins, and calves are removed from the cow 1 to 2 days after being born. The male calves are typically used for wool or are raised as slaughter steers, and heifers are either kept to become replacements or are used for the meat. What happens to the calf? The colostrum sieve, the colostrum sieve out the making the process, and calf bottle fed, then barrel fed until weary. The production cycle of dairy cattle is the replacement heifers are typically raised in feed lot or pasture settings until they are ready to move in with the lecture. Until they are ready to be moved in with the dairy herd. The replacement heifers are bred around 15 months of age and begin producing milk 9 months later, 2 years of the age. The production cycle of dairy cattle is approximately 60 days before they give birth again, and they are dried off, quite producing milk in preparation for their next calf to born. The average production cycle of dairy cattle is 5 to 7 years, and the animal are then processed for their meat. So you can see this cultivation and farming of this dairy science is there, and they are important for the cows are placed in the holding pen while they are waiting to be milked in a farming, and their production is most morely in the milk. So you can see how it will look like these worker views of the parlor. Cows, how they are taking the next, the cows are placed in the milking parlor. This is where the actual milking takes place. So this is the farmer, how the cows are lined up one behind the other at an angle, so that the udders are facing the milking unit, so that they are attached to the mammary gland of their cows, and they sucking the milk from their udders. But it is very difficult to their animals, and the animals will not survive, and the body is not supposed to. The teats have been sprayed with teat dip in order to clean them before milking, and will be wiped off with a clean paper towel before the milking is placed on the teat. म्हणजे तुम्ही ज्यावेळेस दूध काढता त्यावेळेस दूध काढत असताना चांगल्या प्रकारे जे अडर आहे त्याला स्वच्छ केलं पाहिजे, त्याच्यानंतरच आपण मिल्किंग केलं पाहिजे. त्याच्यानंतर हे मशीननं ज्यावेळेस आपण मिल्किंग करतो तर हे ॲनिमलला थोडं धोकादायक असते. आफ्टर दी ट्रीट्स आर क्लीन द मिल्किंग युनिट इज प्लेस ऑन द काऊ. पण तुम्ही जर बिझनेस केला ॲटोमॅटिकली वॉश करणे, सिस्टीम्स वगैरे असं चांगली सगळ्या गोष्टी जर केले तर हा बिझनेस खूप उत्तम आहे आणि चांगल्या प्रकारे आपल्याला त्याच्यापासून उत्पन्न मिळू शकतो. एक काऊ जर बघितलं 2 लिटर दूध जर दिलं तर 100 रुपये कुठंच गेले नाही, कमीत कमी. अशा प्रकारचं याचं उत्पादन. दी मिल्क फ्रॉम दी काउज विल फायनली एंड अप इन द बल्क tank. When the milk truck driver arrives, it is responsible to take sample milk from the bulk. The processing dairy products, milk is collected in the large tanks at the farm and then transported to processing the facilities. The processing facilities, fluid milk, cream and skim milk is separated and then reblended to make CM 2% whole milk. The fluid milk is pasteurized and homogenized. पाश्चरायझर म्हणजे काय की जे मिल्क आहे त्या मिल्कला 60 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचरला बॉईल करणे, गरम करणे आणि त्याच्यापासून पॅथोजन जोपर्यंत बाहेर पडत नाही त्याला आपण पाश्चरायझेशन म्हणत नाही. होमोजेनाइज म्हणजे काय की होमोजेनाइजमधून दुधाला होमोजेनाइज करणे म्हणजे त्याच्यावर स्कीम किंवा क्रीम बाहेर काढणे, त्याला होमोजेनाइज म्हणतात. The homogenization dispersing the fat droplets so the milk stays uniformly mixed. The excess fat removed from the fluid milk to make low fat milk such as skim 2% is used to make products such as eggnog, butter, whipping cream, etc. The processing dairy products म्हणजे आपण डेअरी जर प्रॉडक्ट केले तर बटर फॅट, आईस्क्रीम, युगर्ट, चीज असे वेगळे प्रॉडक्ट आपण त्या मिल्कपासून तयार करू शकतो. म्हणून हे डेअरी सायन्स किंवा डेअरी प्रॉडक्ट जे आहेत हे खूप महत्त्वाचे. तुम्ही हा बिझनेस चांगल्या प्रकारे करू शकता आणि याच्यापासून तुम्हाला इन्कमसुद्धा जनरेट होऊ शकते.